Okay, this is the Pontiac Solstice, and I'm about to start her up for you. There we go. Okay, 43,000 miles. I just turned 43. So I said in the listing it was 42. But this has got the zebra wood dash kit. Alright. And that also goes for back here, the door panels, and like that for the back part. Okay, this car is in great shape. Just wanted to start her up for you. Rev it up. Just had a fresh oil change. Beautiful. Runs great. Drives great. And now I'll show you the other side. People are asking me why am I selling it? Because I got 3 cars and I don't need it. I've got basically a CTSV Cadillac right over there in the garage, along with a Stingray Corvette, and that one, which I'll show you when you come, in that garage. That's my house right there. Okay, and this here is in beautiful shape. You've got the ceramic job that was just done on it. It's a little dirty from being outside, but as you can see, wicked for the look. Everything. Top works beautiful. A little dirty on the back side, but you can see how it looks. And it's okay about my plate. I got security here, so I don't care about the plate showing. Okay, you can see here, really nice. Tires are brand spanking new. 245/45 18s. And you see the wide stance the car has? Very wide stance. Best way to look at it is back like this. Right like that. And that is one wide stance. It drives super tight, cornering, everything. And it is, like I said, it's in beautiful shape. With that ceramic, you cannot beat the way it looks. Gorgeous. Anybody has any questions on it, just let me know. And that's it right there. Talk to you soon.